Hey everybody, it's Captain James with Royal Caribbean. One of the big questions we're getting here on TikTok is how do cruise ships float? Well, it all has to do with the weight distribution. On a cruise ship, you have a lot of weight on the bottom of the ship. That's the steel in the hull, the engines right back here, the freshwater tanks, plus our fuel tanks. Up top looks like a lot, it's a lot of volume, but it's really a lot of space. If you think of the videos you've seen where you have a building being demolished, maybe a 20-story building, and when they demolish it, it goes down to maybe 1 or 2 stories high. Looks like a lot, but really it's a lot of space and volume. And that's what the top is with all the guest cabins. The big weights we have on the top of the ship would be the swimming pools. On the Navigator of the Seas, our swimming pools weigh about 260 tons. That compared to about 3,000 tons of fresh water and another 2,000 tons of fuel, it really offsets. A good way to think of it is if you put a bucket in some water and put a 5-pound weight in the bottom. The bucket will still float. All that weight is in the bottom, keeping it stable, but it's a lot of volume. A cruise ship is very similar to that. And that is how a cruise ship floats. I'm Captain James with Royal Caribbean. Hey everybody, it's Captain James with Royal Caribbean. Question we're getting on TikTok is, what does a steering wheel on a cruise ship look like? Well, this is it. Right here, small little wheel. You can see using my hand just to get a size of scale is the size of this. The reason it's so small is because the entire system is an electronic system. Through electronic signals, the signal from the wheel passes down to our steering gear on the stern. If you think about those old wheels, those really big ones, they used to need to be really big because it was all just manual pulleys and whatnot, and they needed the purchase to be able to turn the rudder on the ship. Nowadays, with modern cruise ships, we've elected to go for the Batman model. Real cool looking steering wheel, but again, just a small little wheel that we use to steer the ship. And that is what the steering wheel on a cruise ship looks like. It's Captain James with Royal Caribbean.